The old Trackmaster Thomas, the new Trackmaster Thomas, and the new Trackmaster Remote Control Thomas. The old Trackmaster Thomas, the new Trackmaster Thomas, and the new Remote Control Trackmaster Thomas. The old Trackmaster Thomas, the new Trackmaster Thomas, and the new Remote Control Trackmaster Thomas. One AA battery on the old Trackmaster Thomas, two AAA batteries on the new Trackmaster Thomas, and three AAA batteries on the new Trackmaster Thomas. Remote control. The old Trackmaster Thomas. The new Trackmaster Thomas. The new Trackmaster Thomas runs very smoothly and it's quieter. It's more quiet than the old Trackmaster Thomas. The new Trackmaster Remote Control Thomas. On and off button. And the remote control or the controller. Alright kids, let's try it. Forward, Rhea. Stop. Reverse. Stop. Forward. Stop. Forward. Stop. Reverse. Stop. Forward. Nice, huh? Stop. Reverse. Stop! Alright. Let's see if Thomas can climb up a steep hill in reverse. Let's try it, kids. Reverse! Uh-oh. Come on! You can do it, Thomas! You can do it! Go, Thomas! You can do it! Oh, no, he can't. He cannot. Yep, he can. Stop. Forward. And stop. Well, there you have it, kids. The new remote control Trackmaster Thomas.